Hi 8th graders, in today's lesson we're going to talk about congruent triangles. The word congruent means equals or matching. So first let's define congruent triangles. Definition: triangles are congruent when all corresponding sides and interior angles are congruent, means they are equal. The triangles will have the same shape and size. Let's look at these triangles. Imagine they are cardboard triangle. You'll try to slide the triangles over each other to check which two of these triangles are congruent. Let's look. Triangle A and triangle B are not congruent previously. Triangle A and C are also not congruent. A and D, no, they're not. Right angled and equilateral. And finally, triangle E. Let's have a look. Triangle E and triangle A. They look really very similar and absolutely congruent. Let's look. They have the same shape and the same size. One of them is a little bit rotated or flipped. Let's try to put them over each other to check if they are really congruent or not. You can use this. All right, here we go. So they are matching. Then the triangle A and triangle E are congruent triangles. They have the same size and the same shape, no matter what rotation angle one of them is. Okay, so how to tell if triangles are congruent or not? Okay, any triangle is defined by 6 measures, 3 sides, and 3 angles. But we don't need to use the 6 measurements to tell that the triangles are congruent. Any various groups of 3 will do the job. Okay, let's see. Theorems of congruency. Triangle congruence theorems. Theorem number 1. Side, 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 S. All 3 corresponding sides are congruent, then both triangles are congruent. Let's see. Side 1 in the first triangle and side 1 in the second triangle are the same. They're equal. Okay, they are of equal length. Side 2 and side 2 also, and the third side and the third side. All 3 sides are corresponding sides are congruent or equal. Then these 2 triangles are congruent. They have the same size and the same shape. Another theorem says side angle side. When we have 2 sides and angle included between them, then the triangles are congruent. Look, they have the same shape, the same size, and they are congruent because we have two equal sides together and an included angle between them in both triangles. Okay, theorem 3, angle side angle. Okay, here we have 2 angles and the side between them, the side the angles lie on, okay, are congruent. So here we got angle 1 is congruent with angle 1, angle 2 is congruent with angle 2, and also the side that has the angles on are equal in this triangle and in this triangle. So angle side angle theorem tells that 2 angles and the side between them are congruent. Okay, an angle side, 2 angles and a non-included side are congruent. Okay, let's look at this for a little bit. We have here 2 angles. Also here we have 2 angles. Okay, but look, the order angle side angle, but here angle side. So 2 angles and a non-included side are congruent. So any 2 angles on the triangle and a side that is not included with these two angles. The two angles are not on the side we are talking